Hi, my name is Kimatina, and this screencast will show you how to create a Kami assignment in Google Classroom. So you need to make sure that you have the Kami Chrome extension installed in your Google Chrome browser. And if you don't, you need to go to the Chrome Web Store and install it. After that's done and initialized, you will see here that I am in my Google Classroom. And I am on the classwork page, and when I hit the create button, I have a new option here to create a Kami assignment. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to open up with this window. And this window is basically very similar to Google Classroom. So I can assign it to multiple classes here. I can assign it to specific students here if I wanted to. So let me go down and assign it to one student. And I'm going to give it a title. I'm always going to give directions. All right, and I can provide points, a due date. I always recommend providing some type of topic. So we're going to call it testing. And I'm going to attach it with a Google Drive icon. So I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to find my PDF file and select it. And you can see here that my PDF file is selected. And just like in Google Classroom, I have options on how I want to distribute to the students. So the first option is to make a copy for each student. The second copy is that it would be an edit-only copy. So this one copy of the file would be shared amongst all of the students in the class. And the third option would be just a read-only. So for this example, I'm going to click Make a Copy for each student. All right, and what I recommend is send the students the Kami instructions so that they have a reference in case something happens with the Kami Chrome extension and they need to reference how to reinstall it. It's there. I'm going to click Assign. And now once it's assigned, that assignment will be posted in my Google Classroom as a Kami assignment. And you can see here that it's confirmed. I hope you find this screencast helpful.